Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn tough guy reps for your triceps with strapped overhead tricep extensions on the path of least resistance. Drop the clips of two heavy-duty nylon leashes about shoulder width apart over a horizontal bar on a chain-link fence, then clip them onto the wires beneath. Facing away from the fence, put your fingers through the leash handles so they rest in your palms between your thumb and index finger, with your elbows pinned in place up by your ears. Plank forward to create tension on the straps. Lean forward as you bend your elbows to 90 degrees with your hands behind your head. Then contract those triceps to drive your hands back forward, straightening your arms above your head. Once this is easy, you can increase the resistance on the strapped overhead tricep extension by gradually walking your feet back to the fence. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. The harder you try, the harder your tries with strapped overhead tricep extensions on the path of least resistance.